There is no, it's like speaking Spanish to an English speaking person.
Improper persona, sojourners, or heritage of the land.
Ma'am, I said state your name. I didn't.
I will state for this X-rail.
Ma'am, listen, let me say this to you.
This trade name.
If I didn't think someone had jurisdiction over me, I promise you, I would not even get out of my bed. I don't really care what you believe.
Judge Bryant just absolutely annihilated this rude sovereign citizen, and by the end of this hearing she has this person talking all sweet and holding her breath like she's about to cry. This one is honestly so satisfying to watch, like honestly I'm not even kidding, this is probably top 3 sovereign citizen videos I've ever covered. Judge Bryant actually goes ballistic on this one, and it's honestly just insane to watch somebody think they can get away with this nonsense in court. Let me know what you guys think about this hearing in the comments below, and let's go ahead and dive in and watch this sovereign citizen get completely humiliated and stunned live in court by Judge Bryant here.
Okay, this is case number 07. No, strike that. I apologize. That's not case number. This is case number 174612601. The people of the state of Michigan versus Bonita Ayana Sealy. The defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery. And today is the date set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christina Ritter on behalf of the people, P number 8350505.
All right, ma'am, please unmute yourself. State your name for the record, please.
Islam, I self-law am master, improper persona, sojourners, or heritage of the land.
Ma'am, I said state your name. I didn't.
I will state for this X-rail.
Ma'am, listen, let me say this to you.
This trade name. No, this trade name.
If you did not come to court, if you didn't come to court to participate in court, please don't come back to my courtroom. So I've muted you, so therefore we can't even hear what you're saying. So let me be clear. If you have not come to court, because let me just be clear. Okay, well, you have a great day. Have a great day. If I didn't think someone had jurisdiction over me, I promise you, I would not even get out of my bed. I promise you. Let me say this. If a person did not have jurisdiction over me, if I believed that a person, that an entity did not have jurisdiction over me, I promise you, I would not get up out of my bed. I would not take a time off of work. I would not stop anything that I was doing for that day to come to court to say these things. Number one, you know it's going to get you nowhere. There is no, it's like speaking Spanish to an English speaking person.
If you guys enjoy content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Let's get back to the video, guys.
So if you believe, Miss Sealy, from the bottom of your heart, that I nor this court has any jurisdiction over you, ma'am, don't come. You don't come. Because there's nothing, there is absolutely nothing. There is nothing that I can do for you. If you are not interested in proceeding in a manner that we can understand you, if you're going to simply read off some stuff to me, it's equivalent to me going over to England. Since apparently you all don't believe that you're citizens. I don't really care what you believe. It is equivalent to me going over to England, getting arrested, and then telling them they don't have jurisdiction over me. If they let me go home, I promise you, if I didn't think they had jurisdiction over me, I'm not showing up. So okay, so we can try this one more time. If you want to state your name for the record so that we can have the name for the record, then you can state your name for the record. If you're going to say all of that other stuff to me that I don't have jurisdiction, then I'm gonna subside, and I'm gonna go ahead and move on to another case. I am going to remove you from the courtroom because this is going to get us nowhere. Nowhere. Now, by the time you've said all of this, by the time you've done all of this, this is a 2017 case. We probably would be finished with the case by now. Probably would be. Probably would be. Of course, I'm not going to give legal advice. I'm not going to say what she should do and how she should respond. Probably would be finished with this case by now. Okay, ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Wow, this judge is now officially my new favorite judge. Like, yeah, we got Judge Oakley, we got Judge Middleton, and a couple other legends, but Judge Bryant, nah, she definitely just took the crown here. The way she took control of the courtroom was just straight up rare nowadays. I feel like these sovereign citizens just walk all over the judges, and they just think they deserve the right to ramble pure nonsense, almost like it's a TED Talk or something. And most judges just sit there and let it slide. Like, I don't know why. I don't know if they're scared of the repercussions or whatnot, but I just really respect Judge Bryant in the way she handled this one. Like, she just shut it down, no hesitation, no sugarcoating, just straight authority. And I seriously don't know why more judges don't act like this. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any idea. I don't know, like if they did, we'd have way less of these delusional people pulling up thinking they can just outsmart the law with YouTube legal advice and a fake ID that says I'm a free man. Honestly, if Courtrooms had Yelp reviews, I'd definitely give her 5 stars for that one.
Bonita Ayana Davis Seeley.
Thank you, Miss Seeley. Today is the date set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. How are we proceeding?
Innocent.
The court is going to enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Miss Seeley. I will set this matter for a pretrial conference. This is a child abuse 4th degree case. Strike that. Again, I keep looking down at your client, looking up at your client's case. This is an assault or assault and battery case. The court is going to set the matter for a pretrial conference. The complaining witness is required to appear. Failure of the complaining witness to appear will most likely result in the matter being dismissed. Probably could have already been dismissed. I don't know if you have contact with the complaining witness or not, Miss Ritter. However, the complaining witness is required to appear at the pretrial conference. Today is December the 6th. The court is going to set the matter for January the 6th. At 8:35. I'm sorry, 8:25. That denotes the arraignment portion. 8:25. As I indicated, the complaining witness is required to appear. Failure of the complaining witness to appear will most likely result in the matter being dismissed unless the people have a valid explanation for the failure to appear. Bond will continue with no contact with the complaining witness. Anything further?
Nothing from the people, Judge. Thank you.
Anything further, Ms. Seeley?
Well, I would like to say something, but I see that I'm gonna just keep my peace. I'll see you guys on the 6th of January.
All right, then you have a great day and stay safe.
You too.
Thank you.
This sovereign citizen is the perfect example of somebody who clearly didn't get the right parenting growing up. Like seriously, you could just tell. I mean, she's probably, if I had to guess, maybe in her mid-50s, which honestly just blows my mind. By that age you'd think she would have it figured out about how things work in the real world, but nope, she's literally in here acting like she's 12 years old trying to get out of trouble with some excuse she found online. I don't know, maybe she grew up with super relaxed parents or something, or just no father figure, but either way it's pretty clear immediately she never learned how to respect authority or understand basic legal principles. She really thought she could just pull this sovereign citizen nonsense and get away with it, and she's 50 years old. What's even crazier is that she probably just found some random Facebook script her grandson shared with her and thought she was about to pull a fast one. Not only that, but you saw her reaction after Judge Bryant went off on her. It's clear she knew what she was doing and she knew it was wrong too. You can't just pick and choose what laws you want to follow because you read something online that sounded legit. The legal system does not operate on Facebook memes or wishful thinking. Sovereign citizens have been around for decades, and every single time they get shut down in court, there hasn't been a single victory for them, which is honestly just so funny to me. But anyways, I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Let me know what you think about this sovereign citizen. Do you think Judge Bryant was too harsh? I know there's going to be a few people in the comments letting me know if she was. I don't think she was, but let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching.